Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope once again you guys have had an amazing week. The temperature is just freezing. All the leaves are gone, fall is over, winter has arrived. So getting prepped for the holidays and Thanksgiving and into Christmas, I decided today I was going to do a look using the Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this. I think the color story in this is beautiful. I haven't done a full look with this yet, so I'm really excited today to dive in and have some fun. So let's get started. So I, as always, like to base out my eye. Today, to base out my eye, I am going to be using the Ulta Beauty white lip crown. I feel like because this is a jumbo crown, it's really easy just to like draw on that white base and get the eye prepped for some really fun colors. Now that we have our eyes spaced out, we can get started with the colors. So the first shade that I'm going to be dipping in today is going to be this really beautiful pink shade right here. It's called Supreme. I'm going to be placing that right in the inner corner. Today I'm going to be using the dual-ended Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes with the palette. So dipping into that Supreme color and applying that to the inner corner. And again, we're just taking that today still about the quarter of the way across the eye, just to really draw that eye in, and then we'll build up the color backwards. The next shade that we're going to be placing right next to Supreme is going to be this copper red tone right here. This is called, for short, we're going to call it Wig, because I can't say the name. So we're going to be dipping again, and with the same brush, just clean it off, and then dip right into Wig. And we'll be placing that right next to the pink Supreme shade. So after we've blended the two together, the next shade that we are going to be dipping into is going to be pinker. It is actually going to be more of a plum shade with a purple hue than it is going to be more red. But we're going to take that, we're going to pop it into the outer corner just to tie the eye together. So the first thing that we're going to do to take this eye to the next level is we are going to go in with this really beautiful gold shade right here called Zamn. And we're going to pop that into the inner corner over top of the Supreme pink shade that we laid down at the top of the video. Just adds a little bit of shimmer, and we'll take it up a next level in a little bit. So today, like all my eye looks, we are going to be taking Supreme, Wig, Pinker, and Zamn, and we're going to be lining the bottom of my lower lash line just to complete the eye look. Then last, going in with that Zamn gold color back to the So this is a very cute look for fall into Thanksgiving, but as we all know, we blink an eye and it's Christmas and you're like, oh my goodness, I need to get ready. So a really easy way to take this eye look and just ramp it up a little bit more glam for the holidays is to take glitter from eye candy and pop that into your inner corner and really make a statement. Today we're going to be using the shade Sour Apple, which is going to be this gold green dual chrome, which is going to be absolutely stunning. So let's dive on in. So my friend and your friend, as we know, Ulta Glitter Primer, and we take this out a little bit onto the back of our hand. Small flat-ended brush. Dip into that and place it where you want the glitter. Again, I'm going to be focusing on the inner corner, but again, you can do a lower lash line or really anywhere that you want to apply added glitter. And there we go. Just gives it a fun, festive moment and truly just makes it ready for the holidays. So here's the finished look today, guys. So today we used the Aina palette, and the shades that we used today, we used Supreme in the inner corner, Wig over top of the main part of the eyelid, and Pinker on the outer corner. We then went in with Zamn in that inner corner over top of Supreme just to add a little bit of drama. And then we did Trust Issues on the brow bone just to accentuate that. We then went in with the Sour Apple glitter from Eye Candy using the Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer just to add a little bit of sparkle for the holiday season. And we topped it all off with the Red Lip Are You Filming from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson's line, and Kush Mascara. And last but not least, a highlight from Makeup Revolution. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for the love and support. I cannot thank you guys enough for the wonderful comments and how excited I am to be sharing this makeup journey with you guys. So like this video, subscribe, and as always, remember, stay sassy, stay classy, and love your look. Bye!